How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop at another beautiful winter day. You know what? It was minus 17 last night, kind of windy. Got some snow, but it's only about minus 5 right now, so it's not so bad. But she's some nice out, to tell you that. Ooh, baby. Yeah, really nice. Anyways, because we got that snow, I want to do some plowing today. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go out and try and start the tractor way over here in the tractor shed. And I've been having problems with starting my tractor, as you know. I haven't done anything to the tractor other than put a new battery in it and put a battery maintainer on it. So I'm going to try and start it today after that cold night last night, see how we make out, and hopefully it'll go and we'll do some plowing. I'm going to do a little bit different this time. I usually, when I do my plowing, I start the cameras going, and by the time I finish plowing out the lane, the batteries are done in the cameras. So this time I'm going to plow the lane first, and then we're going to set up the cameras and I'm going to show you plowing off the landing, so that might be a little bit different for you to watch, okay? So let's go see if we can get the tractor started and do some plowing. So I just checked the temp and it's minus 4 right now, but it was down to 17 below last night, so it's saying we're charged. So we'll disconnect that. It's mid-afternoon now too, right? So if that means anything. Battery voltage is 12.6. Put the glow plugs on for 10 seconds. And then about a half throttle. So the battery voltage drops about 8.5, and it is turning slowly, but it's going to go, I think. Put the glow plugs on again for another 10 seconds. Then we'll try it. So that's typically how my tractor starts, like it'll crank slowly like that, and I think that is slow cranking. And you'll have to put the glow plugs on a second time. Normally that's what happens, but then it usually starts. I also noticed that as it's cranking, the second time I was trying it, it was cranking a little faster, and the voltage then went from about 8.6 to 9.2, 9.4. So yeah, I think getting it to crank faster would certainly be a big help. So the first chance I get when I get the shop cleaned out a little bit more, I'll be able to put the tractor in there and do a deep dive into that starting circuit to find out what's going on with the electrics. Maybe it's the starter, maybe it's a loose connection, maybe it's corrosion. Who knows, right? But we'll come up with something to try to figure out why it's slow to turn over. But you know what? Ever since I had the tractor, it's been slow to turn over. So I'm kind of, leaning towards the fact that it might just be the starter motor. Maybe the starter motors are just slow. Who knows, right? But anyway, we'll do some investigating, and we're going to let the tractor warm up there. I'm going to go clean off the deck. Then we're going to get the tractor, I'll plow the lane, but I won't turn the camera on again until we start plowing out the landing. So stay tuned. Well, we got the tractor put back in the shelter, all buttoned up, cozy for the night. You know, when I started to plow, it was sunny and cold, probably, I don't know what it was, -5, something like that. Anyways, it's not sunny anymore, it's clouded over, starting to snow, and I think it's gotten even a little bit colder. So we'll probably have to plow again tomorrow. Anyways, folks, thanks for watching. Sure hope you enjoyed my snow plowing video. Don't forget, a couple of thumbs up would be nice. Have a great week, stay warm. We'll talk to you soon.